Hey friends, be here with a video for Whimsy stamps. Today we're going to be making a mermaid card using these stamps. It's Mermaid Meditation. Also this other stamp set, which is the Mermaid Moment Sentiments. Then we're going to be using this stencil, which is the Mermaid Scale stencil. Also this die, which is the Connected Bubbles die. We're also going to be using this Stress Oxide Spoon Sugar, Tater Rose, and Victorian Velvet, and some stickles in the color Diamond. Let's go ahead and make a card. Here I have a piece of cardstock and of course my Mermaid Scales stencil. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to place it like so, but I don't want to go all the way here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do this side of the cardstock, maybe blending a little here, but not completely the whole cardstock. So I just want like one side of my cardstock. And for these, I am using Victorian Velvet, Tater Rose, and Spoon Sugar. So I'm gonna speed up through this part. This is such a fun and easy card, you guys. You can make it so quick. I'm just trying to align this well so I don't have it like tilted. I am famous for tilting stuff. I love tilting stuff. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add my magnets over here, and then go on this side of my cardstock. I am going to start with Victorian Velvet. I'm gonna open all my inks. I will see you when it's done. Now, because this is mermaid, I want to add some sparkle to this. So I'm going to go ahead and add some stickles. This is the diamond color. And I'm going to use a spatula because I don't want everything glittery, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and add some stickles, if it comes out, to my spatula. And then randomly add shine to this. Now we're going to remove the stencil. And there we have it. Ooh, I love it so much. Now we're going to let this dry, or you can help it dry with your heat tool. This is what it looks like after drying. You can of course add more if you want. You can add the whole thing if that's your wish, but I just wanted some sparkle here and there to represent her scales. I'm gonna set this aside. We're gonna work on stamping and coloring. I am using her from this set and also the elements here and I'm gonna be using Memento Tuxedo Black. All my images are color, and now I have this piece that I cut from the bubble dies, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it down and put all the elements together. This part right here is one of my favorite parts when I make cards, and that is figuring out where do I want my images, if they look better in front of my mermaid or maybe the back. So it's just a mix of some in the back, some in the front, some you can add just glue, and some others you can add foam tape to create dimension as well. Here I have my car, which I chose this pink color, and all I'm doing is gluing down what we created, and our car is done. And this is how my car turned out. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.